What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with penniesofthousands.com, and I have another site where I'm going to do another cash out, just continuing to show you guys how easy it is to make money online. Now, this site is called Inbox Dollars. The link to it will be in the description. Now, before I get into this video, I want to invite you to quickly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified of all the videos that I make. All my videos are showing you guys how to make money online completely free in a variety of ways. So I invite you guys again to subscribe. That way you can continue to make this money online with me. So this site, Inbox Dollars, is a lot of different ways that you can make money with. I'm gonna show you what I personally do that works for me. It's been working for me for years for using this site. It's one of those that I call it one of my original sites because when I first got into this, like years ago, this is one of the first sites I got into. It's very trustworthy, lots of different ways to make money with it. So I'm gonna show you real quick. So first, what I like to do is I like to go to this survey section, and you'll see here all of these surveys right here. Now, when it says best survey, that's a survey that more than likely you will qualify for. Now, the thing is, I tell people all the time that when you do survey, it's important to know how long the survey takes and how much they're paying you. And those two things have to go hand in hand. Now, for this survey in particular, even though I might qualify for it, most likely the survey takes 20 minutes. I'm only getting 50 cents. I don't believe that's a survey that's really worth my time. So I try to, look at other surveys that are worth my time. So something like this, 14, 15 minutes for 75 cents. Now, the thing is like, I'm fast at taking surveys. Once you, continue to do surveys a lot, you'll get faster at them. So even though it says an estimated time, I usually take off like 3 or 4 minutes just because I know I'm fast at answering questions. So it's important to find a survey that's, like I said, worth your time and not going to take forever. So I go through and I try as many surveys like that as possible. And the thing about it is this site, it doesn't have, really disqualification points, but like say I, take any one of these surveys and I disqualify for it. What happens is you see this bar right here, this scratch and win bar, the bar continues to fill up for each survey that I disqualify for. And when it gets to this money sign, and when each one of those are filled up, or you can, just pick this one. When they get filled up, you have opportunity to make money. So I'm going to show you real quick how that works. So I'll just click on this, and it's just like a scratch and win. And you'll scratch, this is the first one, this one right here, the 2 money signs and the 3 money signs. Now, obviously, with 3 money signs, you have a bigger chance of making money. But one thing I will tell you is that you will always win something. It might not be a lot, but you'll always win something. You see here, this bar scrolling of people who have won money within the past few days. So I'm going to scratch and just see how much I win. It's usually 1 cent. It's not a lot. Like I said, 1 cent, and then you click continue, and it'll get the money in your account. Once you get up to the $2 or the $2 signs and the $3 signs, you have opportunity, obviously, to make more. But it just takes a little longer to get to those. I want to show you how that works just for the purpose of this video. So whenever you go through a survey you don't qualify for, your scratch and win bar continues to fill up. So that's the survey part of it. The offers, I love offers, and they have it where you can kind of how do I tell, like filter it. So they have 100% free offers, they have new offers, things like that. I always go with the 100% free offers, and you can kind of just see what they're asking you to do in the description. Like this one right here, daily goodie box, basically saying get a free goodie box. I guarantee this is a survey where you're basically just signing up for something like this, and you sign up, you don't have to keep it or whatever. Just get your 60 cents and then you can cancel it or whatever. Now, it's not something that's going to probably have you pay for it, but they're going to probably, ask for your email address. I like to give them my email address that I don't use as my personal one, but just kind of make, I kind of have another email that I use basically for offers. So I use that, sign up for it, get 60 cents. You know what I'm saying? Just kind of always scroll down and see what they're asking you to do right here. Sign up to play War Thunder for free. You get $7 for doing that. I mean, there's money in offers. I wish people really understand how much you could really get just in doing offers, and it's completely free. So just go through, look at the offers like that. They also have videos. It's a great way to make money on this site as well. Now, the reason I say it's good money in it, because you see here these video sections, discovery videos, keep craving new content. You'll see 1 cent, 1 cent. Now, there's 1 cent might not seem like a lot, but you'll see for these videos, it says auto. All you gotta do is play and just let it run, and you'll continue earning throughout the day, letting that 1 cent continue to pile up for all of those videos that you're watching. So that is really cool. You can really make, a couple of dollars a day just off the videos if you just really just let it run automatically. And you see here they have some other ones. These might not be automatic, but every now and then you have to go through and, you know, click continue or something like that. But it's still an opportunity to make money watching videos. So just kind of find out which one you want to do. Like I always recommend the auto ones. That way you can just make money in the background while you're doing surveys, doing offers or whatever. Make your money kind of double as you're going. So going back, you'll see here this envelope. You can get paid to open emails. So I'm going to do that. Now all you got to do is open it and confirm it. It'll show you like an offer or something like that. All you got to do is scroll down to the bottom and click on confirm this paid email. I'm going to show you my balance real quick. I have $15.98. So after I confirm this paid email, I should get $16 in my account. Well, 2 cents, but $16 total on my account because every email is worth 2 cents. So just confirm it like that. And you know, it'll come with another page. You can just exit out or you can keep the same page, whatever, but it's going to go back. And then you just kind of refresh it right here, right there. Just refresh it. And there you go, $16. So you get paid to open up emails, get paid to do offers, get paid to do surveys, get paid to watch videos. I mean, lots of opportunities on here. Just take a look at it, see what works best for you. Also, I can show you, let me go back and see if it's in the survey tab. Right here, shopping receipts, earn 2 cents. All you gotta do is take a picture of your receipt and you'll get 2 cents for every receipt that you have. Doesn't matter how much you spent on it, doesn't matter where you got it from. If it's a receipt, take a picture of it, you get 2 cents. You can do that endlessly. Doesn't matter how many receipts you have, just take a picture of all of them and let your money pile up just taking pictures of receipts. So like I said, there's a lot of different ways to make money with this site. All you got to do is sign up with it. There's a sign up bonus of $5 when you're a new member, $5 in your account automatically. So I invite you guys to subscribe with the link in the description. Sign up today, it's completely free and get that $5. And then just go through and kind of do exactly what I showed you. Just try some offers, surveys, watch the videos, things like that. It's a lot of money into it if you just, you know, pay attention to what you're doing and just, you know, focus on it. So now I'm going to actually cash out. So I'm going to click on the total here, $16, just to show you what you can actually do when you're cashing out. So, or how much money you have to have. So you see here, you must reach at least $10 to request cash. And I had that. So I went to request cash, and you see here all the different opportunities and different offers that you can get, reward offers, Amazon, Best Buy, CVS, Dunkin' Donuts. You know, so there's a lot of opportunities here. You go Walmart, and you got the PayPal. Minimum of $10 is all you need. So I'm going to click on PayPal, and I have $16 in my account, so I can actually cash out with the next one, which is $15. And in order to cash out, all you got to do is enter your password, which I've already done. You'll click get rewarded. Let it process. $15 will be deducted immediately from your account. And all my information should already be with the site. So I'll just confirm it. $15 to my PayPal. And just like that, congratulations on your redemption. $15 cash back's been deducted from your account for this purchase. So now I just got to wait maybe a couple of days to get my $15 and I'm on my way. But in the meantime, I continue using this site, continue to make money. Still got $1 in my account, so I can build that up to at least $10 and cash out again. So you see how easy it is to use this site. Very, very simple. Just do what I tell you to do what I showed you in this video, and you'll have no problem really being successful in it. All right. So click on the link in the description, sign up today. If you're interested in knowing how to make even more money online, I invite you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the videos, well, all the websites and apps that I personally use in order to make money. And this is one of them. So again, sign up with the link in the description. Visit my website, pennies1000s.com, for even more money making opportunities. And always remember, every penny counts.